Hey there, it's Vana from Vanaenlightens, and today we're talking about something that's really close to my heart, mastering your single season. What do I mean by single season? Well, I'm talking about a period in your life when you're single, whether that's by choice or circumstance. This is a unique and special time that can be full of growth and opportunity if you approach it with intention. So today, we are going to talk about how to master your single season spiritually, mentally, and physically. Let's start with spirituality. Your single season is a great time to explore and deepen your spiritual practice. This might involve attending a religious service, practicing meditation or mindfulness, or simply taking time for quiet reflection. By nurturing your spiritual life, you can find a greater sense of purpose and meaning, which can help you navigate this period of your life with greater ease. Spirituality is a powerful tool for finding greater purpose and meaning in your life. Whether you're religious or not, taking time to explore your spiritual beliefs and practices can help you feel more centered and grounded during this period of your life. One way to nurture your spiritual life during your single season is to take some time to read the Bible and books that enlighten you on spiritual practices. If you're already part of a spiritual community, make it a priority to attend services and get involved in activities and events. Remember, iron sharpens iron. Another way to deepen your spiritual practice during your single season is to take time for quiet reflection. This might involve setting aside time each day for prayer or meditation, or simply taking time to reflect on the things that are most important to you. By tuning into your inner self, you can gain greater clarity and perspective on your life and your goals. The time to start building a relationship with God is now. If you already have a relationship with God, it's time to lean in closer and grow your relationship with Him. When you allow the Holy Spirit to dwell within you, some refer to it as intuition, it will help lead and guide you along the journey of life. Finally, it's important to stay connected to a community of like-minded individuals. This might involve joining a religious or spiritual group, attending retreats or workshops, or simply finding a group of friends who share your values and beliefs. Having a supportive community can be a powerful source of comfort and strength during your single season. By nurturing your spiritual life during your single season, you can find greater purpose and meaning, feel more centered and grounded, and make the most of this unique and special time in your life. Next, let's talk about mental health. Being single can be tough, and it's important to prioritize your mental health during this time. This might involve seeking support from a therapist or support group, practicing self-care, and engaging in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. By taking care of your mental health, you'll be better equipped to handle the challenges of being single and make the most of this season of your life. Taking care of your mental health and engaging in self-care are important components of mastering your single season, and they can also help prepare you for a potential transition out of that season. When it comes to mental health, being single can sometimes bring feelings of loneliness, isolation, and even depression. It's important to prioritize your mental health during this time and seek support if you need it. This might involve seeking out a therapist, joining a support group, or confiding in trusted friends and family members. This single season is when you need to go through healing. In addition to seeking support, it's also important to engage in self-care activities that make you feel good and help you manage stress. This might involve things like exercise, meditation, or hobbies that bring you joy and fulfillment. By taking care of your mental health and engaging in self-care activities, you can build resilience and better cope with the challenges of being single. If you're open to the possibility of transitioning out of your single season, it's important to prepare yourself mentally and emotionally for that transition. This might involve exploring new dating opportunities, challenging any negative beliefs you have about relationships or marriage, and setting goals for what you want your future to look like. By taking care of your mental health and engaging in self-care activities, you can build the emotional and mental resilience you need to successfully transition out of your single season if and when you choose to. Remember, your single season is a unique and special time in your life, but it doesn't have to be a permanent state. With the right tools and mindset, you can make the most of this time and prepare yourself for whatever comes next. Finally, let's talk about physical health. Your single season is a great time to focus on your physical health and well-being. This might involve setting fitness goals, trying new activities, or simply taking care of your body through healthy eating and regular exercise. By prioritizing your physical health, you'll feel better both physically and mentally, which can help you make the most of your single season. So, to sum it all up, mastering your single season is about approaching this period of your life with intention and focus. By nurturing your spiritual life, prioritizing your mental health, and taking care of your physical health, you can make the most of this unique and special time. If you need a little extra guidance, inspiration, or motivation, be sure to check out my books listed on Amazon at the links below. I've also listed the links in the description for where to send prayer requests, book a session, visit my store, or to join the Learning membership. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vana Enlightens for more life-changing advice. See you next time.